Hi foodies, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Ayo. Let's make the most versatile soup, Egusi soup, as it's popularly called in Nigeria. Some people also call it melon soup because it is made from melon seed. I'll be tagging to the description all the ingredients used to cook this soup. I'm pouring my pepper mix in my palm oil and allow the pepper to fry a little. I then go in with my meat stock into the egusi paste that has been blended. You want your egusi seed to be properly blended so that it cooks well and it makes your soup come out with a very good consistency. I've also chopped some onions in my egusi paste, and this is so that I have a lumpy feel and the batter is not too soft. I'm also adding my dry fish to the egusi soup on palm oil so that the fish can be soft and well cooked. After which, I'll be going in with my curry, I'll go in with my thyme, and then I'll add a little bit of meat stock more and allow to cook properly. And once this is well cooked, I'm going to be stirring my egusi and lifting up gently with my wooden spoon so that the egusi doesn't break. I'll later go in with my crayfish and pomo again. As we all know, pomo doesn't really have a good taste, so it's just chewy and really nice. Egusi, by the way, is the cow skin. Pomo is the cow skin. I'll be going with the rest of my ingredients, my proteins, which is shaki, meat stripes, or as the case may be. You can use any protein of your choice. I'll allow this to cook thoroughly and I'll stir. Again, I would cover and add a little bit of water. Egusi is one soup that you want to cook with a lot of patience. You want to ensure that it's well cooked so that it doesn't run your tummy. I've tasted my egusi and then I've added some Maggi and some salt. Once I'm comfortable that the meat stock, does not give all the desired taste, and just add a little bit of salt and Maggi to taste. I'll cover again and allow to cook for a while I prepare my vegetable. For this recipe, I'll be making use of spinach. And I would cut my spinach to a good size that I want. So the spinach is washed already, by the way. And then I would cut my spinach to the desired size, and then before introducing them to my egusi soup. How do you know your egusi is cooked? You can see the oil has come up, and that tells you that your egusi is good to go. Some people have it this way without adding the vegetable leaf, and I love to add the vegetable leaf just to give it color and make it the authentic way that I would usually like it. I will introduce my spinach leaves and then I will stir gently. At this point, you don't want your soup to last. You want to keep your soup on fire for about 2 more minutes. And that's because your vegetable does not really need to overcook, and so that you still have all the nutrients in the vegetable. Follow my video. Please let me know what recipe you'd like me to share next. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and encourage me to share more recipes with yourself so that we're better on cook. And that is our egusi all done and ready to be consumed. Thank you all for watching. Until we see next time.